So marami tayong nakitang mga updates no based on that China visit ni Trump. Nakauwi na siya no, tapos na 13 to 15 visit. Ako ulit, ayun, mabalik-balik. All right, number one, yung meeting niya is the Iran war. Sabi ni Trump, kailangan ko ng tulong sa China to tell Iran to open Gate of Hormuz, no? Ayaw din niyang mangyari yung merong term siyang sinabi, no? The term is Thucydides trap, no? Yung Thucydides trap, ito yung historically tensions historically between a rising and a ruling power have often resulted into a war. Pinag-usapan nila yan. How can they avoid the Thucydides trap? No? At pinag-usapan din nila yung, actually, medyo kinabahan ako kasi halos mahahagip na ang Pilipinas eh. Ang diniscuss nila was the Taiwan, no? Sabi ni Xi Jinping, Taiwan is the most important issue. Mishandling it could lead to a very dangerous situation. Parang iniisip ko, susuportahan kita sa Hormuz, pag ginera ko ang Taiwan, wag mo kong papakailaman. Parang ganun. Siguro ganun ang mindset na iniisip ko dyan. No? And in-invite din ni Trump si Xi Jinping sa White House on September 24. Walang gaanong deals na in-announce. It was only a focus on dialogue and de-escalation. It was a focus on dialogue and de-escalation, Kamiranda.